Do your knees hurt? Feel better in as little as 5 days. FlexiJoint is the 1-2 punch your body needs to knock out arthritis pain. Should you exercise and lose weight? Of course. But FlexiJoint can help too. Its scientific formulation contains glucosamine sulfate to support your joint flexibility, Boswellia serrata, known as a natural painkiller more powerful than ibuprofen. And FlexiJoint has even more, including white willow bark for long-lasting pain relief, shark cartilage to take a bite out of inflammation, yucca for pain, swelling, and stiffness. And best of all, Andorra Life's FlexiJoint contains turmeric. Not just any turmeric, it's BCM95 Biocurcumin, the world's most preferred bioactive and bioavailable turmeric extract. Safe, effective, powerful. If you want the best joint flexibility you can have at any age, you can't go wrong with Andorra Life's FlexiJoint.